structure has happened, and now we are expecting some good movement from here. And let's see which type of movement will happen. I will try to analyze it according to volume spread analysis, and then my whole analysis related to earlier waves and next week analysis. All those videos are available in our videos section. You can go and check that whichever side market is going to move. Like the stream and must subscribe it. Then I will give you one more trade here, whatever it's a upside trade or downside trade, but I usually take 3 to 4 trades on daily basis, and I prefer day trading like and swing trading because those have very high win rate, and I prefer higher time frames like 30 minute and 1 hour. Why? Because it has high accuracy and it has very less noise, so we can easily analyze the market according to volumes and according to all other behaviors. So there are thousands of things, thousands of knowledge available, and all knowledge type of knowledge is available free. And if you wanted to go with my own courses, then you can easily go with that. It's totally dependent on you, but must go with some strong learnings and some strong methods. Without learning anything, if you just go with gambling nature, and if you think that you will double your account within few days, then those things are not going to happen. And those things usually happens in the casinos, but those things does not happen in the trading side. Tell me in the comment that where are you from and what you are expecting now. Whatever market is going up or down, just tell me in the comment. That just write buy and sell and whichever side you are expecting, and then I will provide my own analysis, and then we will move further that whichever side market is going to move. I will place just simply buy and sell orders, and by seeing those orders you can easily determine that whichever side market is going to move. How I will get that orders, I will try to analyze with volume spread analysis, and then I also use RSI convergence divergence, and there are thousands of strategies available, but I prefer Fibonacci retracements and Fibonacci. So guys, you can see our profits, how much profits we have made, and all these profits are 100% live. If you wanted to confirm, then you guys can go our first stream and you can see that from how much we have started this account, and this account is up. You can see how much profit we are making. I have started this account from 5k, and now we are up more than 30k. This is all according to our own methods, our own analysis, and this is the power of technical analysis and market behavior. I am a VSA trader, volume spread analysis trader, and I take all those trades based on VSA method. And if we talk about this VSA method, then this method is 100 years old, and this method is working since last 200 years because this works on supply and demand basis. If more volume came on one specific candles, then there is strong movement in one specific side, and if high volumes are coming in one specific move and low volumes are coming in the retracement of that move, then it means that that whole move has strength in it, and we can validate that move and we will move whatever it's upside or downside. If you wanna understand this volume spread analysis, if you wanna learn these methods, or if you wanted to learn candlestick patterns, then you must subscribe to our channel, and after subscribing must hit bell icon. After that, if you daily join our stream, then definitely we will talk all about those things which are really required and needed for your profit and for your success. If you guys are consistently facing issues in profitability, and you guys have tried many times but you did not make any profit, then this is your right time and right opportunity, because I have seen thousands of traders who tried but they do not able to build long-term sustainability. So keep in mind that making profits on daily basis or weekly basis does not matter. If you are not profitable for months and even for a year, then you guys are doing nothing. You guys are just simply doing gambling. What is gambling? Gambling is simple, that if you bet on one specific side and if you lose, then your money is gone, and if you win, you got what profit one day, 2 day, third day, or fourth day, but definitely one day will came, your all profits will be gone. So most of the trader try to approach that gambling thing in this trading, and that's why most of the time they failed. What is the right way, or what is the right approach? Always try to go with the strict stop losses. Okay, we provide signals on this stream on daily basis, and we try to take entry based on all technical and fundamental analysis, and you can see that how much profit we are still making. And my mission is to convert this 5k account into 100k account live in front of you. So that's why I am explaining all these things and how I will do that, and all those things will be clearly visible to you in front of you. So what was we were talking? We were talking about gambling thing. So what makes this trading session different from the gambling? Most of the gamblers just simply go when they will see some good thing, and if they win they definitely celebrate, and if they lose then they will depressed. So trading is little bit different from that. If you see our trades, then each our trade is protected by strict stop loss. So placing your stop loss is very necessary, and how you will place that stop loss, that stop loss is definitely should be there, and most of the traders don't put stop losses, and they think that market is going in their own favor. So there is nothing like that. Market will never go in your favor. If you put your stop loss, and if your stop loss is hit, it's absolutely fine. You don't need it to fight with the market. If you hit 2 to 3 stop loss in one specific day, then you should move to another day, and then you can move to another day. You should always consider long term sustainability, like long term profitability. If you lose one specific day, then it's absolutely fine. What most of the traders do, if they hit 2 or 3 stop losses, then they will try to do revenge trading. They will consistently try to enter again and again, and they think that they will recover losses, but those losses will never recover, because they are doing just revenge trading, and market will keep going against them, and they will definitely ignoring all those signals which market usually shows. So strict plan or the day trading plan is very necessary. What is my day trading plan? I usually took 3 to 5 trades in one specific day, and if 3 to 4 trades of them got stop loss, then I don't take any trade in that day, and I move to next day. And again next day, if I lose 2 to 3 trades, then I don't trade that day. I usually move to into next day. So what is the right way or right approach? Always think in the longer term sustainability. Why? Because if you lose one day, if you lose another day, if you lose another day, that's absolutely fine. One day you will win, another day you will lose, one day you will win, another day you will lose. And if your risk to reward ratio is good, then you will end up with profitability. Going with specific system or going with specific method is very necessary. If your strategy is good, and if you have back tested your strategy properly, then you are definitely going to be successful in the trading. Always read and always write each trade you took, and write why you took that trade, what was the signals confirmations, like if there was candlestick patterns, if there were break of structure, what was the volume confirmations, and all those stuffs. And when you will write all those stuffs, and then you will be able to analyze your weakness and strengths. So if one specific day if you win that day, then at the end of the week you will analyze that what type of things you have done in one specific day which you win, and what type of mistakes you did in one specific day which you lose. In this way you will learn that which type of mistakes you are doing and what are the weakness in you. After analyzing that, you can easily work on your weakness, and you can easily improve that, and definitely in the long run you will definitely going to be a profitable trader. So if you see my trades, then I strictly work on trading plan. I strictly work on swing trading. I strictly try to take entries with the 1 hour, 4 hour and daily time frame confirmations. So what is the right way, or what is the right approach for taking any trade? First of all, you guys needed to do a complete analysis of a whole market, that what is happening or what is going in the market. If you see daily time frame, if there is a bullish structure, and if there is if there is in 4 hour bullish structure is available, then you can also try to go in that structure or trend friendly trade, because most of the traders fail because they tried continuously reversal trading. Market will continuously going up and they will continuously selling it. That's totally right. That's totally wrong approach. If market is going up and structure is bullish, then don't try to enter in any trade. Don't try to enter in the selling trade. Always try to look for some strong levels, and when those levels will come, then you can take entry. And how you will take entry? You will take entry based on strict rules, based on some specific levels, and if there are candlestick pattern available at that level. For example, if one level came, and if there is bearish engulfing form and then evening star form, then you can take entry with that, but strict stop loss like above it. If it fails, you will simply exit the market, because this is the financial market. There is trillions of dollar involved in it, and no one will let you make profit. That's why, to being a successful trader, you must have to work with proper risk to reward ratios, and then with strict stop losses. You must have to train your mind. You must have to do strong exercise. You must have to do strong meditation for strengthen of your minds, that you will definitely put stop loss. You will never move that stop loss. Most of the traders do that. If they put their stop loss, then they will continuously change that stop loss above and below, considering that market will move in their own direction. But those things never happens, and market suddenly hit their stop loss or suddenly moves opposite of it, and they will lose. So working with some strong methods, working with SL is very necessary. Let's talk about how much amount you should use with one specific entry and what should be the criteria. So if you are working with $100, then your one trade should be with $1 risk. What does it mean? That always risk 1% of your account if you are working with your own capital. But if you are working with the challenges or funding accounts, then you should go with 0.3 or 0.5%, and that 1% or 0.1 0.5% should be risk at some strong level, at some strong point. And if you come to your screen and if you see something, then suddenly moving into or suddenly going into trade is not recommended. You guys have to be wait patiently, and when that level will came, and if there is candlestick pattern formation like bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, morning star, evening star at that level, or at the Fibonacci level, or if there is some bullish or bearish divergence in the RSI, then you can take entry. Without those things, don't ever try to enter in the market. So what is risk to reward ratio, and how I usually manage that? Risk to reward ratio is simply that if you are going to lose $1, then you should make at in that trade $3. So if you are putting stop loss of $1 and then put your TP with the $3, and by following this strict system, and if you have a strong strategy, you guys will never be fail. Always put stop loss and don't move your stop loss. It does not matter if your stop loss hit or not. Okay, when you will move into monthly basis and when you will see results, then those results will definitely shock you, because you guys will be in a profitable stage. Why? Because if your win rate is only 40% and if your risk to reward is 1:3, then you guys will be in a huge profit after 1 month. So if you are losing in 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, that does not matter. If you lose, if you win fourth day or fifth day or sixth day, those are absolutely fine. This is a part of the trading. Losing and winning is just a matter of time, and you guys will never regret when you will see after 2 months